Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Photoshop tutorials how to pixelate an image. For example, I will open this image and then if you want to pixelate this image, like I will pixelate half of this image, you can use this tool. So I will select from this point into here, like it half, and then go to filter menu, click on pixelate, and then we can use a mosaic option. So be sure for mosaic dialog box, and then you can set for the pixel in here, pixel size. I will move into this point for the pixel size. And if you're done, you can click OK. After it, click select and then deselect. So that's it for basic Photoshop tutorials, how to pixelate an image. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.